a lot of people don't realize the level of artistry that goes into making a fragrance.
When you're making a fragrance, you can tell them, these are my favorite flowers, or these are my favorite things.
Right.
And then they put it together, and it's terrible, because horrible things have to go in it, things that you would never want to smell, but then you put a tiny thing of it in, and it brings all of the other, variations together.
As an artist, I would think you would have a real advantage going through the process, because it is an artistic process.
I couldn't tell him what I wanted. I could tell him what I love, what flowers I loved, and that I like things that are deep and kind of, I like them rich.
You like a bold fragrance.
Yes, I really do. And I like it to be a little bit mysterious, and also I like it strong.
How did you finally know when you were done?
I had no reservations, do you know? I mean, we tweaked it a little bit, and then it was just done. And I just wanted to wear it all the time.